Name a famous city in France.
Then we got to U.S. cities.
Yes. Name a famous city in England. Great Britain. You want to ask a friend? Ask a friend. London. There we go. And
What good is gold?
Vancouver. Vancouver. Where good is gold? Name a city in Germany. Okay. Name a city in Spain.
We good? Yeah. I think Andrew was going to make an
Yes.
You want to ask a friend? Ask a friend.
Just put.
Madrid, yeah. Good. Okay. Sit there.
We have
Can you tell
one,
me sore?
one viewer in the world.
There it is.
There we go.
So every once in a while, what I'll do is I'll turn it towards you to make sure you're keeping the correct score.
Accurate score. And I'm just back here behind the camera.
At any point during the competition. Thank you.
Like 1 more minute to get that linked up, and then we're gonna start. Okay, just like this round, and there's like super long directions that I have to read, but we're gonna start off with Douglas, and I'll just go down the line. Just how I have it. All right, you guys ready? We'll start anyway. All right, the final competition consists of a final round and a championship round. Final round questions will reduce the number of contestants to 2. These 2 finalists will then compete in a championship round. In the final round, a contestant is eliminated correctly. I will begin each series of questions to available student. After each student on stage has responded to a question in a series, if this happens, so students who gave their second incorrect answer during that series will continue. Third place winner are determined. If only one student remains after a series of questions, that student automatically becomes one of those students who gave their second to receive questions until the second finalist and third place winner are determined. The procedures will change for the champion at that time. Carefully to each question, remember to listen and to use correct geographic terminology. Use Holland as a synonym for the country Netherlands. A political division. Give present-day names unless as England as involves history, and other names would be correct in the context of the question. As the bee is conducted in English, wherever possible, conventional English place names are used. For Britain, for United Kingdom of Great Britain and North. The National Geographic Society's policy of recognitions follow the NETA as 2 continents. Oceania is considered a region rather than a continent, and it will not be accepted as a correct answer for the continent of Australia. In addition, the National Geographic Society recognizes 4 oceans: Arctic, Atlantic, Indian, and Pacific. The rulings of the judge are final, which is me. Good luck. Any questions before we start? All right, the first set of questions will require oral answers, which means you'll say it out loud. Each of you will answer a different river flows. All right, the Kissimmee Okeechobee in what state that borders the Gulf of Mexico? Oh, I'm sorry. All right, Zane. Atlantic City, known for its boardwalk and casinos, is Atlantic City, known for its boardwalk and casinos. Crater, Daniel, this one's to you. Crater Lake National Park is located near Klamath Falls. No, I'm sorry, the answer is Oregon. Wesley, Lake George is a glacial lake
South Virginia.
No, I'm sorry, the answer is New York. All right, Aubrey. Glacier National Park, which straddles the Continental Divide, is located along the Canadian border in No, I'm sorry, the answer is Montana. What state that borders Lake Erie was first established as a Quaker colony? The Santa Lucia Range stretches southeast from Monterey in what Pacific state? No, I'm sorry, it's California. The city of Green Bay is located on an arm of Lake Michigan in what U.S. state? The city of Green Bay is located Daniel, the Great Dismal Swamp.
Can you say pass if you don't want it? Like,
I would give it your best shot because you only get to miss 2 on this one. All right. All right. The Great Dismal Swamp.
California.
Nope, it's North Carolina. All right, Seth. Big Bend now along the Mexican border in what U.S. state? All right, Seth. The USS Arizona Memorial at Pearl Harbor, site of in which state?
Nevada.
No, it's Hawaii. All right. right, all of you will respond to the next question by writing an answer. Take one of each, pass it down. All right, Douglas, you can just put the extras out in front of you this time. Okay. Okay. So you're going to answer the next question. Seconds to write your answer. Hold your pencils and hold up your answers. When I call pronunciations or spellings, as long as we can decide that you know the right answer. I will give you the correct answer after all answers have been given. Please keep your answers visible so you cannot ask for another repeat, and the time will start after I've read it the second time. Hoover Dam, which supplies power to parts of Arizona, Nevada, and California, is located on what river? Go ahead. No, everybody writes it. Time's up. All right, put your pencil down so everyone can see it. Really, you're just holding it so we know you're not writing anymore.
Okay, what classroom?
Douglas.
Okay.
Kevin. Yeah. Okay. Wesley. Bubba. Okay. Alyssa. Okay. Kaven is the only one who got that right. Way to go, Kaven. Okay. So, Kaven, you are definitely around and see if we can get our third one. So, Kaven, if you want to pop out, you can, but you're definitely in the finals. Congratulations. That was yours. You just push the paper. You will need it again, but you don't need it at this moment, so you push it forward. Oh, no. No video. She gave it. Okay. The next set of final round questions involves a map that shows fresh water usage for each state in the United States. Each of you, in turn, will use the information on the question. I will give all of you a moment. You will have 15 seconds. All right. So it's a question for each person. All right, Douglas. You had the lowest freshwater withdrawals. Right, Zane. Which state that borders Iowa had freshwater withdrawals of less than 2,000? Do you have an answer? Okay, answer is Gavin. Which state bordering the Pacific highest freshwater withdrawals? Answer is Wesley. Which state bordering New Jersey had the highest fresh? No, it's New York. Aubrey, which state that of 10,000 to 19,999 million gallons per day? Yes. The lowest freshwater withdrawals. Alyssa, which bordering Arkansas had freshwater withdrawals of 20,000 to 33,000? No, I'm sorry, it's Texas. Which state bordering Kansas had the lowest freshwater withdrawals? It was of 5,000 to 9,999 million gallons per day. Yes. All right. And Seth, which state bordering West Virginia had the highest freshwater withdrawals? Okay. So, let's see. Whoever got the mic. It's
Aubrey, Jamari.
Okay, so Aubrey, Jamari, and Daniel, you get to stay. The rest of you here, we're gonna have them keep answering questions. Yeah, and you are gonna need your pencil and paper again on this one. We're getting okay this time. All right, once again, each of you will respond to the next question by writing your answer on it before you hold up your answers. As before, I will wait to give the correct answer until all the answers have been given. I will read this question twice, so you may not ask for another repeat. All right? No, everyone gets the same question. Everyone writes the answer. All right, Polynesia, a region that includes what ocean? Polynesia, a region that includes the island countries of Samoa and Tonga, is located in what ocean? My caller name name, say Aubrey. Okay, Jamari. Daniel. Pacific. Okay. Yeah, so Daniel, you are the other finalist, but we're gonna get our third place, so if you wanna step up. All right, so this is for third place. Options will require oral and all right, located northeast of Concord, Lake Winnipesaukee is the largest lake in what New England state?
Time's up.
Okay, the answer is New Hampshire. All right, Mount Rainier, located the highest mountain in what U.S. state? No. All right, Aubrey. The city of Rochester was what Underground Railroad and is located on the Genesee River. Yes. Ready, Jamar? Okay. Harney Peak, located in the Black, which state? All right.
Did a good job.
Third place. And then Jane, do the final round. Danae, will you help me out by picking up all the stuff off the table? The pencils. Alyssa, will you get the pencils? Alyssa, will you help Danae pick up off the table?
No. I'm awesome.
Thank you. Okay. Congratulations to our two finalists who will now compete in the championship round. You'll be competing with a clean slate. The championship round consists of 3 questions. The same question at the same time, and you will have 15 seconds to write down your answers. When we call time, you'll put down your pencil and hold up your answer. Then I will ask each of you to read. You'll wait to give the correct answer until both answers have been read. Whoever answers the most questions and penalized for inaccurate pronunciations or spellings as long as it can be determined that you know the correct answer. If there is a tie after the set of 3 questions, I will explain the tiebreaker question twice, so you may not ask for another repeat. Listen carefully before writing your answer. Okay. So you're both going to get the same question. You have to write down your answer. The city of Portland is the eastern terminus for an oil Montreal, Canada. Portland is located in England state. The city of Portland is located on Casco Bay in which New England state? Both are your answer written down. Okay, make that. All right, so hold up your paper. Daniel, do you put? Me is correct. Okay. All right. It rises in the Allegheny Plateau and empties into what large bay? Rises in the Allegheny Plateau and empties into what large bay? Okay, if you're both done.
I can tell.
Okay, what do you think? Okay, the answer is the Chesapeake Bay. This one's got some words in it. All right, last one for this set. Taklamakan Desert, home to the Uyghur people, is located north of the Taklamakan Mountains in which Asian country? We have time.
Time's up.
Okay, Kaven? Nope, it's China.
Good job.
So Kaven got one right. Not good. All right, so we've got Kaven in first place. Daniel in second. I'm like looking around. Daniel is in second, and all the are on there. Bye.